My turn. This first example will help you to complete your first problem for today. It says Alex completed 1/4 of the distance learning packet on Monday and 1/3 of the packet on Tuesday. How much of the whole packet did he complete on Monday and Tuesday combined? When I'm thinking about this problem and I'm looking at what is important for my mathematical thinking, I look and I see that Alex completed 1/4 of the packet on Monday and 1/3 of the packet on Tuesday. How much of the whole packet did he complete on Monday and Tuesday combined? I know that that word combined means that I'm going to take Monday and Tuesday and combine them, which means I'm going to put them together. I know that that means I'm going to add. What's my rule? If I'm adding or subtracting or comparing fractions, my denominators need to be the same. So I'm going to circle my denominators, 4 and 3. Off to this side, I'm going to write 4 and 3. I know I need to skip count to find a common denominator because my denominators need to be the same since I'm adding. So I'm going to skip count. 4, 8, 12. I'm going to stop. I'm going to start skip counting for 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. I'm going to stop. Why did I stop? Because I see that 12 and 12 are common multiples. I'm going to see how many times I skip counted by 4 to get to 12. 1, 2, 3. 4 times 3. Same here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 4. I'm going to look over here. If my denominator is 4, I know that I need to look over here and see what I multiplied by to be able to get to my answer to make it the same. 4 times 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. Whatever I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator. When the numerator and denominator are the same, it equals 1 whole, and that's the identity property when I'm multiplying. When I multiply, if my numerator is 1 times 3, my answer is going to be 3. For my denominators, 4 times 3 is 12. Same here. If my denominator is 3, I know I need to multiply 3 times 4 to get me to the common denominator of 12. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top because when the numerator and the denominator are the same, it equals 1 whole, and that's the identity property. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Now, my denominators are the same, so I know I can go ahead and add. My numerator, 3 plus 4 is 7. And when I'm adding, I know my denominator is going to stay the same. 12. And so this is my answer. When I look at this, I need to make sure that I have a label. 7/12. Well, 7/12 what? 7/12 of the packet. Okay? So 7/12 of the packet is completed. Make sure you circle your answer.